Apfelpfannkuchen. Apple pancakes. A bread from Germany. Serves 4. You will need 9 ingredients. Step 1. Sift together the flour, 2 tea sugar, and the salt. Step 2. Beat eggs and milk together. Step 3. Gradually add flour mixture, beat until smooth. Step 4. Saute apples in 1/4 c of butter until tender. Step 5. Mix 2 tea sugar and the cinnamon together, toss with apples. Step 6. Melt 2 tea butter in a 6-inch diameter deep fry pan. Step 7. Pour in the batter to a depth of about 1/4 inch. Step 8. When set, place 1/4 of the apples on top, cover with more batter. Step 9. Fry pancake until lightly browned on both sides. Step 10. Keep warm. Step 11. Repeat the procedure 3 times, until all batter and apples are used. Step 12. Serve immediately. Country reports, culture, countries, travel.